This is Bob Collects Stamps. I'm probably Bob, possibly not. We'll see in the new year. Maybe I'll be Bob then. Maybe I won't. Who knows? This is another unboxing video without unboxing. I didn't have the sound on. You'll see some pictures from the unboxing, but you won't hear any sound from it. This is the unboxing from my friend Chris. Chris is a stamp collector of long standing also. I sort of just got to know him. He's a friend of friends, and I've gotten to know him. Hi, Chris. And he sent me some of his overflow. Very nice of him. He and I share an interest in fish stamps. I want to see his fish collection, but until I am able to do that, because I would have to fly to Hawaii to do that, and I don't think they're letting people in right now. Could be wrong. He sent me some very nice stamps. None of them have fish on them. That's okay. I got national park stamps, Christmas stamps, good stamps, bad stamps, all sorts of fun things, plate blocks, and some foreign stamps, mostly U.S., but some foreign stamps, Romania, Poland, nice little souvenir sheet. Nothing, those are nice, those are from Somalia. Yes, I'm not using my tongs or tweezers. It's okay. Don't yell at me. Collect your stamps the way you want. And right now, this is what I want to do. Oh, there's another set of stamps. That's the National Park stamps, Old Yellowstone. Or yep, Old Yellowstone, Old Faithful in Yellowstone. It's very fun. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Bob Collects Stamps. I'm Bob, and remember, don't follow anybody else's rules except. Take care of yourself, take care of your stamps, and have fun. Thanks for watching.